Hey, what's up guys? In this third tutorial series, I will introduce you to the draw toolbar in AutoCAD. So if you're just getting started and you want to learn more, I will want you to click on the subscribe button, destroy it, the red button, click it, and make use of the comment section below to join this conversation. Okay, so guys, my name is Mark Lumi. In this channel I drop architectural, civil and finance content, and that is the root of everything. We all want to know how we make money with the skills we have. So this tutorial is just to introduce you to the draw toolbar. As the name implies, draw toolbar, a tool that allows you to draw either a line or a circle or anything. So here on the tabs and ribbon area, we have our draw toolbar. We can see the draw here, so that means we have all this as our draw toolbar. We have the line, the polyline, the circle, the arc. Now here we have the rectangle, and if you need the polygon, you can click this arrow for that. Now here we have the center, axis, and elliptical arc. So here we have the arch, the gradient, the boundary. Now that is not all. We can still click things like this. Whenever you see arrow there, you can still click them, and the full version of the draw toolbar is down here. You can click that arrow and it shows stuff like the construction line. That is, so these are the tools that you make use of whenever you want to draw on the workspace that has been created for you to draw anything. So the draw toolbar gives you access to draw. That is all you need to know. So it is so short. Now the next tutorial will be on the modify toolbar, and I will want you to watch them. So if you're just watching this video, I will implore you to click on the subscribe button and like this video. Just comment if you need any question. It is so short and simple. So guys, let's go.